Jackie Poo. Wait, hang on. Let me find one for Katie, Joe.
But I don't want them to open at the same time.
I'm not going to. I'm just going to have hers ready. Open.
I think I got that one.
There's the here. Doesn't look like you got anything this year. Right, you hold on to that one.
Can I open this one? Can I?
Yep, you can open it.
Oh, yeah.
No.
What is that? What is it?
A motorcycle.
What is it? Is it like
Whoa.
Tinker Toys? Is it Build-A-Box? Or
The motorcycle's a new car.
what's it say on the top corner?
Lego.
Oh, it's Legos.
7 to 12.
It's a Lego motorcycle. You can put it together.
No, it's this one.
You build it, buddy.
I know, and then you can build that one, that one.
That'd be fun, huh?
Mhm.
All right, Katie JoJo, head's turn.
Yes. I need to find somewhere how to open. Oh yeah. I found picture we got.
Jackson, you get your trash over there in the bag, bud. Yeah, bring it over here by me and JoJo. Around the back of the chair. Go behind the chair. See it?
Hmm? Sure, I don't know. We don't have to, it doesn't matter to me. Daddy?
Okay. Let's get you out from behind.